Looking for an Ethernet cable that delivers asterisk speed, reliability, and hassle-free installation? The Monoprice Shielded Twisted Pair (STP) Category 6A Ethernet cable is built to meet the demands of professionals who won't settle for less. With a 500 MHz bandwidth and 26 Aruban fluorines stranded pure bare copper conductors, this cable ensures your network runs smoothly, no lag, no interruptions. What sets this cable apart? It's part of Monoprice's Zero Boot series, designed specifically for IT experts and data center technicians who want to skip the extra bulk. Without the usual protective plug retaining clip covers, you get faster, easier connections in tight spaces. This means less fumbling and more time getting your network up and running. Beyond convenience, the quality inside matters. Unlike cheaper cables made from copper-clad aluminum, CCA, Monoprice uses 100% pure bare copper wire. This isn't just marketing speak, it means the cable fully complies with UL Code 444 and the National Electrical Code TIA 568C. 2. Meeting strict fire and safety standards. So you get peace of mind alongside performance. The 50 micrometers gold-plated contacts ensure a strong, corrosion-resistant connection that lasts. Whether you're wiring a new office, upgrading your data center, or setting up a high-speed home network, this cable delivers consistent performance that professionals trust. If you're tired of flimsy cables that don't hold up or slow down your setup, this is worth a look. The combination of shielded twisted pair design and pure copper conductors cuts down on interference, giving you a clean, reliable signal every time. Plus, the stranded wire offers flexibility. No more worrying about breaking cables during installation. Monoprice's STP Cat6A Ethernet cables come in fixed lengths, saving you the hassle of building or customizing your own. That means you can pick the exact length you need and get started immediately. No wasted time, no guesswork. Ready to upgrade your network with a cable designed for professionals? The Monoprice Shielded Twisted Pair Cat6A Ethernet cable gives you what you need: speed, safety, and simplicity. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference of a cable that's built to perform without compromise.